Alright, so one of the things that sucks about this car is when you turn on, say, the defroster to feet here, you got it on, you switch back to here so you can get the top air, or even go from top air to here. The only air that blows are out of the corners here, that one and that one. These two don't work, and that is because this sensor, this little motor here, it is a Denson AX0637005870 12 volt 12S. This is what controls the flap unit that opens and closes these vents. And so when this thing dies, the vents don't work. And it is located right under the dash, right there. So that's it right there. So basically I have to pull this one out, put the other one in. This should work. All it is this bolt up here, and then this switch right here. I mean, this plug, the green plug, is where it gets its power and everything from. And then it should work. We should be in business. Alright, and I'm going to take those bolts out and unplug this, and we're going to get it going. Unplug this from here. We're going to pull those two bolts out, that one right there, that one right there, and we'll be fixed. Alright. And so each motor is different. You want to get up under the dash and look at the one for yours, but this is the motor for an 89. The little thing. Not motor, but yeah. You know what I'm talking about. This car, there'll be a number on yours. They're all made by Denson, I think, for the Hondas. And this is what you want to look for. You can get this from a junkyard or wherever you can find it. I found it on eBay. I probably could have got it from a junkyard for a little bit of nothing, but I got it off eBay for like 12 bucks, so, you know, no loss. Alright, so I'm going to put this one in and get it going. Alright, so I got it out. It's very easy to get out. Basically, I've just pull those bolts out and then spin it out of this little thing it has that kind of holds the bar, and it goes into there. So that's it. But you can see right here, this is the old one, that's a new one. What is wrong? Oh, this is bent. So this one's bent all the crap and back. This is what it's supposed to look like. So we are going to replace it, and I got a new bar too for it, so if the bar is messed up, I'll put the new bar in too. Alright, let me put that back in. The cool thing I like about this is you don't have to take the dash apart to do it. It's right up under the edge of the dash. Alright, so she's back in. There she is. Everything is hooked up correctly. So let's give it a try. Doing the old vent test here. Alright, let's see what we get. If we put in the key, some power, I'm going to put in a new, got air. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So we switch it back over here, which is the street. That should switch off. Yeah, let's see it work. So it is off now. If I switch it back over, oh yeah, gotta go. It's working. There you go. And that is how you fix that. Excellent. You guys take it easy. Peace.